right? So like I have said, we don't expect any coding background. You can even if you are from a civil engineering department or mechanical engineering department or any branch or any department, you can apply for this bootcamp. Now what is the application procedure, right? So most of you would have already because you guys have already attended the webinar and everything, you would have been getting communications from our team or our operations team regularly about whatever update there is. But to give you a brief update on the application procedure, we have a simple aptitude test, right, to screen candidates. So we can't take everyone who applies for this bootcamp. So we have a simple screening process, right, to take people, to shortlist some people for the 6-month bootcamp. So how do we do that? So initially there'll be an entrance test, which is a simple mathematical aptitude test. It doesn't require any coding background. The kind of questions that you can expect in this aptitude test are normal mathematical aptitude and logical reasoning test that many of you would have been aware of already. But this is a simple class 10, class 11 mathematical aptitude test. So it doesn't require any coding background. The test doesn't require any coding background, neither does the program, right? Now coming to the next step is, we, like the name suggests, pre-bootcamp program. What is a pre-bootcamp program is, before you join the main 6-month bootcamp program, we want to give you a flavor of, an introduction of, how the bootcamp works, and also, shortlist some people based on that. So in a pre-bootcamp, what happens is, you will be introduced to some, how the program is going to work, how the bootcamp, 6-month bootcamp is going to work. And also you will be introduced to some basic concepts. But even in pre-bootcamp, we are not looking for any coding background or anything. You will be explained some, fundamentals or something. You can, coding some basic programs. You'll write, how to write your first program, or how to write a code or something. You'll just get a flavor of what coding is. And then what we want to provide with pre-bootcamp is, we want to give you guys an option. Let's say after this 5-day program, if you think that this is something that is not, that is something that is not suitable for you, you can drop out of the program. So in these 2 steps, be it the aptitude test or the pre-bootcamp program, we are not looking for any coding background, or neither we are not charging any fees. It is all free of cost. You can take the screening test, you can take the pre-bootcamp, you can attend the 5-day pre-bootcamp. If you are selected after the aptitude test, we'll select some people for the pre-bootcamp. And after the pre-bootcamp, the only thing that we are looking in pre-bootcamp is people who are working hard, because like I have already said, this is a very rigorous program. We only want people who are really passionate to, passionate about their careers, and people who want to work hard for their careers. So that is the only thing we're looking for. We're not looking for any coding background, right? So this is the application procedure. So after these 2 steps, we will select some people for the final 6-month bootcamp program.